Good morning, my beautiful ladies. Today I'm going to do a Gua Sha massage. I find this Gua Sha massage is the best tool, the best, most affordable tool, beauty tool that can work magic on your skin, on your face, on your body. There are bigger Gua Sha for the body as well. You can order online. This Gua Sha is my friend brought from Germany, and I find them so amazing and they're so cool if you keep them in the fridge. I just want to highly recommend you Gua Sha massage to get rid of swollen face, first signs of aging. I massage it into my skin and I feel sometimes my muscles on the face are so sore because of the tension that we have and the excess of water on the face. You should really try this one out. A lot of people investing so much money in this kind of fancy tools that you have to move around on your face. Yes, it's good if you have a lot of money and you have nowhere to put it, but it has the same effect. It doesn't bring you more results than Gua Sha. Gua Sha is the mechanical work. Yes, you have to do something. It doesn't just go away by itself. But if you spend just 5 minutes in the morning and in the evening, you will not realize how beneficial it is. Like your swollen face, even if you are a bit overweight, it will all go away. Lymph drainage exercises on your face is really helpful as well. So you just need to try it out and just pull the skin with Gua Sha, and in the morning after 5 minutes you can see even my face is changing. It's lifting. Like, look at my eyebrows, look at my face. I'm swollen from the morning. I had a mask on and I woke up a bit swollen. So I'm just doing this massage on my face and enjoying it, enjoying every bit of it. And I'm just saying some affirmations, how beautiful my morning is, how beautiful I am, how beautiful everyone is, and my life is full of enjoyment. My life is full of miracles and everything good happening to me every single day. And I'm super grateful to have this life, to enjoy my life, to be happy on my own. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm so grateful as well for all my subscribers. I enjoy doing my morning routine, skincare routine, and I'm just applying the coconut oil all over my face, on my neck, and just going through also with my hands. If you don't have Gua Sha, that's not a problem. You can use your hands, you can use a little bit tension and just massage it. Don't forget about your neck. Stretch it well and it will change your life. Trust me. Sometimes I feel my face is so sagging because I'm 34 years old and I feel like I don't have any fillers on, just my lips, and I feel like it's really dragging my face down. But once I'm doing this massage, I'm obsessed. The results are insane. You can see yourself. Just check this video in the beginning and at the end. You will see how big is the difference. And it's only 5 minutes of your time. It's not taking more than that. Just try it out for yourself and share your results with me. If that helps you, I would be super happy. Look at this. Just work on your lymphatic areas, and it will lift your face. It will remove the excess water and just wake up your eyes as well. It's such an amazing tool to have some time of yourself for your own, just some me time. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to me.